done. Come on. What more could you want? So, we are perfect. The right balance.
Are you sure?
Pretty sure. 100% sure.
100% sure?
Yeah. What I say?
Oh, where's the baby?
Baby's in here. Okay, I think it's more. Don't you like me with a belly?
This is strange.
Mommy, why you have blue hair?
Because I'm a superhero. Do you
Stop.
find me sexy like this?
Strange. Took out the belly and put on your boobs.
So what if we had another baby, sweetie? Okay.
Are you kidding me?
Just one more.
No way.
Just one.
No.
We're not gonna have twins.
It's not a game. It's life.
I don't want to take this off. What? We're full.
Yeah. You have a boy, a girl, a dog.
I have 2 brothers. One more shot, one more baby.
Way bigger.
No, look at my belly. Isn't it cute?
I hate belly. I hate kids. And I hate dogs.
Nick,
Yeah.
do you like it? Do I look nice?
Yeah.
Okay.
They are baby side.
No fun. No baby, no games, no nothing.